Oh, I know, I know. Ain't that nigga you say you is? What up, niggas? Y'all heard that nigga Rich Homie, boy. I know. You niggas ain't who you say you is. Petty ass niggas and petty ass bitches, man. Stop being petty, man. If I'm slowed down, it's just the kickstand I was drinking, man. Double cups, man. Slow a nigga all the way down, but stop being petty ass people, man. You got niggas that's still super petty, man. It's 2014. If you a bitch and you still slashing tires and busting windows, I'm gonna need you to step your game up. Like, be original. Bitch, blow the car up or something. Do something constructive. Like, really? All this petty shit getting out of hand. You got that everybody got that one petty ass friend that when he got some money, you'll never see his ass. He be hiding a bitch on Instagram, but you don't never see him. That motherfucker broke, want to smoke up all your bag, drink up all your drink. Then they know you. That's a petty ass nigga, man. And the fucked up part is we all know one. Or you got the petty nigga that always want to hang and go out, but don't never got enough money, knowing all the time that he just be in a tight pocket. Stop it with the pettiness, man. Like, enough is enough, man. You niggas should be tired of being petty. But they always know. Be petty with me, I'ma learn you how to be petty, man. Cause I ain't the type. I ain't for that. Y'all niggas keep it 100, man. Stop being jerks. It's okay to be an asshole, but don't be a dick, man.